So in the email, you have the same thing that we had in the web pages where you have, but this one you only have header and footer that you can actually work with. Okay, so the header is typically a little logo. Now you may want to have a little bit of information beside that, but this is what will show up on any email that you send out. So there's the header, and let's see if we have anything in the footer information. Yeah, so there's maybe just a disclaimer and some information in here. So on your system, you're going to have some generic stuff in there that's in there as a sample, but you may want to read over it and then just edit it to fit your particular purpose. Same thing with the email content. You know, there's certain things that you really want to work with to make sure that it is branded to yourself. The main one is going to be like your lost password, your activate user. So the activate user I mentioned earlier is the email that says you've created an account and this will take you to create your password. But you may want to have more information on there than this. I mean, we've got it down to its simplest form. What you'll not want to do is edit any of these where we have a link there. This actually takes you to the proper page to create your password. So you're probably only going to want to edit this part and this part or whatever it says there.